Hey, what is new in Visual Components Professional and Premium 4.3? Bear with me in this video and you'll find about that. Reza is here. Welcome. One of the new features that is added to the professional version is the new snippets for Python scripting. To have a view on that, let's go and drag and drop a component. Go to Modeling tab that you have access to it in professional version and premium as well. Then I'm gonna create a Python script. And what do we have here is this snippets button, which you can see this new basic component scripting snippets that are available now for your use. For example, what I like here is this CSV read and write that you have the snippets, and if we click over here, you can see that we have this function already available for us over here. This makes life much easier, right? What else do we have? Let's see. The new helper for output messages. Let's go to Help tab and click on Help. I'm gonna go to Reference Guide, then to Python API, then go to VC Helpers. There we go. VC Helpers output. So this VC Helpers output provides different levels of output messages for us. You can print out information like a specific simulation time from a component. You can print out warnings, errors, and debugging messages as well. Let's go back to VC screen. I'm gonna go to Modeling tab. Next available thing in the line is some new geometry tools. So under Modeling tab, I would go to Tools. Then under Simplify, you can see convex hull and also count triangles. So in case, for example, if I go to count triangles and I say the whole layout, you can see what's printed out here. It says that this layout has 1272 triangles, and of course you want always less triangles. If I just go, for example, here and try to use the convex hull, and then we have here the geometry. Let me choose it and use convex hull. See what happens. Okay, this is what happens. So you see that it tries to put like a convex around the whole shape and make it as smooth as possible. So this convex should have basically less triangles. If I just print the amount of triangles again, so you can see already we had 1272 and now we have just 436 triangles. This means we made the geometry lighter. Next is importing the CAD assembly structure. So if I go to this import section and click on geometry and just close this, you see over here that we have this new structure to be set for the importing geometry. For feature, the assembly tree structure goes to the feature tree of a component. For node, the assembly tree will be mapped to a node tree of a component, and for the component, the immediate level of assembly tree is imported as a new component. Please go ahead and try to import your own CAD files using these three features and then check the assembly tree to see the difference. And last but not least, we also have the wizard for modeling the machines. So in case that I have geometry chosen, the wizards are active, and you can see over here the choice for modeling the machines. This is quite beneficial for customers who maintain their own ECAD, or also for integrators that have the need to create new machines constantly for different projects. Okay, so this was the Professional 4.3 new features. Now let's jump to the premium version. So the first thing I want to talk about are the connectivity plugins WinMod and Siemens Simit. WinMod is the Windows-based modeling of communications, devices, machines, and plants controlled by automation systems. And Siemens Simit enables comprehensive tests of automation projects as well as the virtual commissioning of systems, machines, and processes on a single platform. Let's have an overview on the plugins. I am using the premium version in this tutorial. So let's go to Files, Options, and Add-on. And these connectivity tab is available in all versions, but WinMod and Simit are available only in premium version. Therefore, you need to enable the connectivity tab, press OK. Here I press cancel because I've already activated. Then you have to start a new instance or restart basically your software, and this tab shows up, connectivity. You can see already a list of stuff here. There is the plugin for backup sensors, OPC UA for Siemens S7, and now Siemens Simit and WinMod as well, and there is also the emulator for universal robots. So basically, for example, if I click here on WinMod, you can add a server and you can start to communicate with the WinMod side from VC, or in this case I am choosing actually Simit. But why to use visual components if there is Simit and WinMod? Well, VC can be used to simulate environment around emulated machine. Humans and mobile robots and material flow are much easier to build in visual components. You are also able to do non-time critical aspects here easily in visual components. Also can be used as a visualization engine, so basically data from WinMod or Simit echoes here in the 3D environment of visual components. To learn more about Simit and WinMod, how to utilize them, you can also go to our academy in academy.visualcomponents.com, or then you can also check out our help file under help tab. Let's click on help. Then we have to go under tasks, connectivity folder, and there we have the information connecting to Siemens Simit and also connecting to WinMod. Very nice. Let's go next. I would go to now File, Options, and back here in the Add-ons tab. So in the premium version, you also have this Stubbly add-on that now it can also support CS9 robot controllers. The add-on has been tested with robots supporting the CS9 controller in Stubbly Robotics Studio 2019 via its CS9 emulator. Also, we have done a lot of optimizations for connectivity in 4.3, which is going to improve the communication of visual component products with other apps and devices, for example, through OPC UA. One improvement, for example, is the handling of value change events for connected inputs and outputs. Okay, beautiful. Let's go back to the main screen. These were the features for premium. So if you are still around, I'm really happy. It means that you followed me through the whole video. Great to have you, and please keep your feedbacks coming through, for example, forum in forum.visualcomponents.com, or comment under our videos. Cheers and take care. Bye for now.